Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn some basic travel vocabulary that will help you during your trips. So, let's get started. Airport. Airport. A place where planes take off and land. The airport is busy today. Passport. Passport. A small book with your photo that you need to travel to other countries. Don't forget to bring your passport. Tourist. Tourist. A person who is traveling for pleasure. The city is full of tourists in summer. Ticket. Ticket. A piece of paper that shows you paid for a trip. I have my plane ticket ready. Luggage. Luggage. The bags you take with you when you travel. Where can I check my luggage? Hotel. Hotel. A place where you stay when you're away from home. We are staying at a hotel. Reservation. Reservation. A plan you make to save a spot at a hotel or restaurant. I have a reservation at the hotel. Flight. Flight. A trip on an airplane. My flight is at 8 a.m. Baggage claim. Baggage claim. The place where you pick up your bags after a flight. We will pick up our bags at baggage claim. Customs. Customs. The place where your bags are checked when entering a new country. You need to go through customs. Departure. Departure. The time when your plane leaves. Our departure time is 10 a.m. Boarding pass. Boarding pass. A ticket that allows you to board a plane. Please show your boarding pass at the gate. Gate. Gate.
The entrance to a plane at the airport.
Our flight leaves from gate 15. Arrival. Arrival. The time when a plane, train, or bus reaches its destination. The arrival time is 2 p.m. Destination. Destination. The place you are traveling to. Our destination is Paris. Check-in. Check-in. The process of registering at a hotel or airport. We need to check in at the hotel. Guidebook. Guidebook. A book with information about a place, often used by tourists. I bought a guidebook to explore the city. Currency. Currency. The type of money used in a particular country. What is the local currency in Japan? Map. Map. A visual representation of an area that shows locations. We used a map to find our way around. Souvenir. Souvenir. A small item you buy to remember a place you visited. I bought a souvenir from the museum. Visa. Visa. An official document that allows you to enter a foreign country. You need a visa to enter the country. Itinerary. Itinerary.
A plan of your travel schedule.
Here's our itinerary for the trip. Backpack. Backpack.
A bag carried on the back used for holding items.
I packed all my essentials in my backpack. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational videos.